Hey y'all, so today I'm excited because I got a couple of these items. I probably should have tried it out first before I bought so many, but you know, I'm extra like that, so yeah. So let me show y'all what I got. I'm excited, but I'm kind of nervous. So I got all of these duck plum, all the good flavors. The ones that I kept seeing around that I wanted to try like real bad, I got them all. So these are all the colors I got. And we're gonna try them all. I'm kind of nervous because like I heard so many people saying like it burns, and I don't think I'm gonna keep it on for like an extended period of time, but I'm just going to show you the swatches of what they look like. I'm gonna try to do them in color order. So that way, yeah, we can spice things up because, oh my God, I'm so excited. Like, I'm so excited. I've been waiting so long to do this. So now that I finally have an opportunity, let's get to it. So these are my lips bare. Excuse the acne, you know, girls, hormonal right now. So anyway, yeah, like this is bare. I don't have anything on my lips. I did have on topicals earlier, but I took that off. So this is the clear one. It's called Clearly Spicy. I kind of don't want to start with the plain Jane, but I guess we can start with the plain Jane. I'm just gonna do some swatches on my lips. I'm nervous. I'm not gonna lie. I'm nervous. I'm scared it's gonna burn. All right, but here we go. We're gonna apply it. It's thick too. Like, look at how thick that is. I don't know if y'all can see that. It's real thick. It smells really good though. That's what it looks like. Of course, because it's clear. I feel okay. At first, you don't feel it. You gotta give it a couple seconds to work. I'm feeling it though. It's a little spicy. It's a little spicy. I can't lie. The more that it sits, the spicier it feels on your lips. Like, it's real tingly right now. Wow. How much ginger did I put in here? It does say this product may cause a temporary tingling sensation, which is normal. But discontinue if you experience excessive discomfort. It just feels like warm. I mean, it doesn't hurt. It just feels like a warm sensation, like it's tingling. But this is what they look like so far. I'm gonna wipe this one off and I'm gonna move on to the next one just so I can show you guys the pigment. I will keep one of them on. Whichever one ends up being my favorite, I'll keep on so that way I can come back and show you guys what it looks like after like 30 minutes or 20 minutes, etc. Okay? So I'm gonna wipe this one off. It is tingling though. Let's wipe that. All right, this one is called Nude Swings. So let's see what that one looks like. Oh, this is beautiful. I don't even need to do the whole thing. And a little does go a long way. Like, you don't need a lot of this for it to show the pigment. One swatch and I'm good. Wow, that's beautiful. I haven't had a nude gloss in so long. And I don't own any nude lipsticks either. It's so pretty though, like, what? That is so beautiful. A pigmented gloss. I love that. I love that. All right, I'm gonna wipe this one off and I'm gonna show y'all the next one. I'm not really gonna give them time to sit unless, like, you know, I'm excited because the closer that I get to the bottom, like the darker shades, is where I'm gonna be. This one's called Brick of Time. This is more like a brownish color, so it's a little darker. Wow, look at that. I think it's so cool that they're glosses and they're colored. 'Cause I feel like a lot of glosses are colored, but like when you put them on, the color doesn't show. But these show. It just burns a little bit, but it's not like a burning sensation to one where I couldn't handle. Like, it's a burning sensation that kind of like will subside. So, but yeah, this is Brick of Time. It's cute. And it is tingling still. Oh my god. Wipe this one off. Let's work on the next one. This one's called Wine Knots. I think this is the one that I was like really excited for. I'm excited to try. Let's see. Look at that color. It's so beautiful. Oh my god. I can really smell the ginger in here too. It's so pretty though, like. This is so pretty. I love this color. I'm just a really big fan of like dark colors because I think dark colors look really nice on my skin tone. Let me get another one. So I'm gonna wipe this one off and then we're gonna try the last one. Okay. Last one. This one is called Twice the Spice. So let's see. This is what it looks like. It's more of like a brown. Look at that chocolate. And that's really all you need. Unless you want it to look like more pigmented. One swatch is all it takes. It is burning right now. Like, I'm not gonna lie, it's burning. So, out of all of these, I would probably have to say Twice the Spice. No, Why Not is probably my favorite. This one's really pretty though. I don't have any brown lip glosses or lipsticks or anything like that. So, this is beautiful. And it's called Twice the Spice. But yeah. They burn, but it's a good burn. So I'm gonna put yeah, I think I'm gonna put Wine Not back on. That was the one, right? Yeah, I think I'm gonna put Wine Not back on and come back to you guys in like 30 minutes and let you guys know what it looks like. Okay, so I'll be back and I'm gonna show you exactly what it looks like after 30 minutes of letting it sit. Okay. Okay, so this is me after 30 minutes with the Wine Not Duck Plump lip color. So I noticed a very slight difference. I don't know if it's because it's only been 30 minutes or, you know, I'm not sure what the case is. And I did take a shower That's why I'm in my room now. It's still a little tingly. It's not as bad as when I first applied it, but I still feel the tingle. So yeah, I'm not really sure if that's gonna go away while it's on the whole entire time, but yeah, but it's so pretty. So I like the colors. The tingling sensation can, like, it can be a bit much if you're not used to that. But yeah, I'm a ginger girl and I like ginger tea and stuff like that. So I'm kind of used to like the burn of ginger. But yeah. And it does burn if it gets on your tongue. Cause I did, like, when I was like rubbing, some of it went in my mouth and there is a tingling sensation with that as well. But overall, I really do like the gloss. I mean, it's probably not something I would wear every day. But yeah, it's cute. It's cute. I like it. But let me know if you guys have tried different colors or if you guys have had similar scenarios and what you feel about the product as well down below in the comments. And thank you so much for watching as always. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.